What up, guys? It's Crypto Ether back at it again with another crypto video. As always, I never give financial advice. Always do your own research. We live in a super volatile crypto market, so never invest more than you're willing to lose. Today, guys, we're going to be talking about Laid Back Llamas NFTs. If you're not familiar, guys, Boss Llamas have been minted already, and they are doing extremely well on OpenSea. And these are the next ones to be minted, right, from the same creators, guys. It's going to be absolutely game changing, and I just do feel super bullish on the project. So let's take a quick look at Boss Llamas just for reference of like how I feel the project is going to do. So let's look to see what these are, because this is where it started, right? The 100 Genesis Edition Boss Llamas are all uniquely designed, one-of-one ultra-rare llama collectibles living on the Ethereum blockchain. These are the biggest and baddest llamas, with scenic environments, designs, and perks for the holders. They are the leaders of the herd, guys. So these are the first 100 to be minted, guys, and they are doing well, as you guys can see here. Floor price is a 4.5 ETH. 144 of them have traded. Let's see the last highest last sale, right? So let's take a look. See here, the last highest sale was 10 ETH, guys, and ETH is sitting right around, I think, like 4,000 or something like that. It's been a while since I looked at ETH prices, but yeah, like around 40 grand, guys. That's a ton of money for an NFT. So I'm just really stoked on the project. And let's jump into the Twitter account, and I can show you guys what's going on here, right? So Laid Back Llamas is the Twitter, guys. I will leave that link down below in the description. 7,000 Laid Back Llamas are coming to the Metaverse, right? We'll scroll down here. The pinned tweet, right, on December 16th. The wait is over. 7,000 llamas will take over the Metaverse January 10th, 2022. Join the herd. And I will leave links down below for the Discord, guys. And I highly recommend just looking into this project. It looks really, really cool. We'll jump into the website real quick, right? And we can just give an overview of the website and what they have to say about their project. There's the link tree. There's the website, right? So let's see here. Pre-sale minting will begin on January 10th. To get pre-sale access to ensure you are able to mint, join our Discord below. So, guys, and if you guys are not familiar with how to I'm so sorry, get whitelisted is usually in these Discords. So I highly recommend joining the Discord, guys, to try to get whitelisted. I just know that there's a lot of demand to get whitelisted, so you know, better your chances and join the Discord and do whatever they, want you to do. Like, sometimes they'll have like challenges and stuff like that. So just look into it, guys. I highly recommend you do your own research. And if you're just getting into the NFT space, definitely look into getting whitelisted for the projects that you believe in. That's the good way to get in on that's a good way to get in at the cheapest price possible, right? Especially when projects like Moon, as soon as everybody mints them and they sell out super fast, like sometimes it's even hard to mint them, guys. Like I highly recommend into looking how to mint NFTs as well. I should be making an educational video here pretty soon, so stay tuned for that, right? But that being said, let's jump right into their description here. Laid Back Llamas. In the deep digital mountains of the Metaverse lies a herd of 7,000 exceptional llamas. They represent confidence, tranquility, and different personalities that boast style. And, ooh, I gotta plug in here soon, boys. And style with every stride. These fresh-looking llamas have been exploring the rolling hills of the digital landscape in search of good vibes and good vibes only. They got the swag, the funk, and the jazz, with each llama more laid back than the next. The exquisite herd only breeds the finest of llamas with the fluffiest fur and the sickest drip. Every llama is unique with fur colors, hairstyles, laid-back expressions, clothes, hats, and shades, and more. These are the laid-back llamas, guys. And then you have a description of the Boss Llamas here. These are the ones that are already minted. There was 100 of them, right? Years ago, the herd lost 100 llamas to something they couldn't understand: ambition. There was something different about these ambitious llamas, something assertive and commanding. They walked with the purpose, like they've seen it all, like they've been places. They left the herd with dreams of success and becoming more than just a chillax llama. These llamas went on to do brilliant things. Some became famous llama movie actors or joined the llama space program. A few join underground graffiti clubs and also produce some of the greatest art from llamas this world has ever seen. Others ventured off looking for a new family, a new life. These are the boss llamas, right? So, guys, the boss llamas have been hitting, and I think that the laid back llamas will be successful as well. Not financial advice. I just see a lot of hype around the project, right? So, really, really cool stuff. Let's go through their benefits. 7,000 provably rare laid back llamas. Each holder is given ownership and commercial rights usage of their NFTs. Endorsement opportunities with brands for LBL holders. NFT drops for random LBL holders. Whitelist opportunities into popular projects from our partners. Holders will receive royalties from their llama casted in the LBL TV series. That's absolutely cool, guys. Like, when they do make these this LBL TV series, if your llama gets casted, you will get royalties from that. How cool is that, guys? So just something to look into. I will leave links down below in the description. Let's go through this roadmap real quick. Genesis collection, 100 boss llamas drop, right? That's check. Or that's to be checked still. Or no, that is checked. I'm sorry. They dropped their boss llamas. National Llama Day event, Llama Sanctuary donation, 4 sandbox lots purchased. 7,000 laid back llamas, mint date January 10th. LBL rarity tools and rarity sniper. Dalai Lama's airdrop to 5 LBL holders and a second charity donation, right? And then Sandbox virtual meetups in the barn, LBL merchandise store. So that will be in the Sandbox lands that they purchased. Llama Land Festival featuring famous DJs, musicians, free access for LBL holders, VIP access for Boss Llama holders, right? And then at 100%, they're going to create an LBL video game, LBL Metaverse wearables, and an animated LBL TV series where their holders will receive a royalty for casting of their llama, right? Really cool, guys. I just love the idea, the concept. Really well executed in my opinion, and just looking forward to the minting on the 10th, and I will be live streaming, so definitely hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the live minting on January 10th, guys. I will be bringing it right to you, so definitely stay tuned for that. I do appreciate you guys taking the time out for watching my videos, and yeah, it's Crypto Ether. I am out of here, guys. Peace.